The Chandler two-piece sectional by Behold offers an updated look and feel with a splash of elegance. The pebble-colored fabric is durable and it's easy to maintain. The plush stuffed seat and back cushions on this L-shaped sectional sofa provide extra comfortable seating options for family and guests. Other features include rounded track arms with a sleek design, tapered block-style feet, and accent pillows for a pop of color. This contemporary yet casual sectional is built to ensure long-lasting comfort and durability. The long-wearing fabric is soft to the touch, yet durable and easy to clean. The Chandler sectional offers plenty of seating for all and perfect for relaxing in any home. This low-profile sectional with its wide curved racetrack arms and dark stained block legs is the perfect way to bring more seating to your space. You can tie the look all together with 6 square accent pillows and 1 kidney-shaped accent pillow, all in complementing and contrasting fabrics. You can complete the room with the optional chair and a half or the barrel chair in correlating fabric. The sectional measures a full 122 inches wide side to side, with a depth of 98 inches front to back and 37 inches high. The chair and a half measures a full 54 inches wide and a depth of 43 inches with overall height of 37 inches. The correlating barrel accent chair measures 32 inches wide, 34 inches deep, and the height is 32 inches. Made in America in Smithville, Mississippi, from the hand-built frame to the smallest pillow stitch, Behold takes great pride with American dedication and workmanship that's displayed in each piece that they produce. And you won't find a better quality product for a better value anywhere else.